Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Translation. I am super excited about today's session. Today, we'll be looking at how to save anything on the web to OneNote with just one click using OneNote Clipper. You can quickly capture any web page to OneNote, or you can easily edit, annotate, or share. You can access your clipped web pages on any computer, tablet, or phone even when you are offline. So, without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So, the magic tool OneNote Clipper is actually an extension that you have to download in your Edge browser. Please keep in mind this works to its full potential only in the Edge browser. So, let me go ahead and show you how it's done. You will go all the way to the right hand side to these three ellipses. You will click on Extensions and you will go ahead and type in OneNote Web Clipper in your search engine. And once it pops up, you will go ahead and install it. And as soon as you install, you will see a OneNote logo right here. And that's when you know your extension has been installed. And now that the extension has been installed, let's go ahead and see how this works. So here I am in this medium.com website where I have this beautiful article and I want to share with my students. So what I do is I simply click on this OneNote, and as you can see, it gives me various options. I can clip the entire page, I can clip a region, I can clip an article, and I can clip a bookmark. So let's go ahead from the bottom up. So I'm going to go ahead and click a bookmark. I will go ahead and delete this. I don't want to put a good read in there, and I'm gonna click clip. But as you can see, it's gonna ask me for location. It's gonna say, hey, where do you want me to clip this? Do you want me to clip it in this notebook, or this notebook? You can actually pick a notebook and a section as well. I picked this notebook and quick notes as my section, and I'm gonna go ahead and click clip. And once that's done, it's gonna tell me it's clipping the bookmark and it's successful. And now I'm going to go ahead and clip the entire article. So it's going to take a minute for this to populate because it's actually translating the entire article without any distractions into your OneNote. So just give it a minute. So as you can see, the article has been beautifully downloaded without any distractions. And when you are clipping your article, this OneNote Clipper actually gives you all these options of changing the font, increasing the size, and even annotating. So let me scroll this down, and let's say I want to go ahead and highlight this one so my students can take a look at it. There you go, that's done. And let me just say I'm randomly highlighting something. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead. You can change the font to whatever. You can increase the font or decrease the font. So I'm just going to keep it to this font right now. I mean, to this size right now. And I'm going to go ahead and say clip. And as you can see, it says clipping article. And that's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and say, I don't want the entire article. Let's just say you just want one part of the web page. And that's when you click region. Let me go back. You click just if you want some part of your article or your web page, you simply click a region. Even if you like a picture, you simply go ahead and click a region. So in here, I can either, let me go ahead and copy this image. Let's just say I like this image. I'm going to say copy and I'm sorry, clip, and I'm going to say send it to clip to my OneNote book. And I'm going to go back, and now I want to go ahead and pick something else. Let's just say what I want to pick. I don't want this one. I am going to pick the 50-50 rule. Okay, this is what I want. I'm going to go ahead and say clip. All right, now the last one is the full page. So when I click on full page, as you can see, it's still loading the preview. It's going to take a lot of time for me to load the preview because I'm going to go ahead and show you this web page has a lot of graphics and links to it. So it will take some time. So I'm going to skip that for now. But if you want to go ahead and clip the entire web page, you can do that as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look how all these clippings look in our one notebook. So here I am in my one notebook. So the first one is, let's see. So the first one was a bookmark. As you can see, it has given me the title of the article and the bookmark. The next one was the entire article itself. And as you can see, I have the entire article along with the annotations directly clipped into my OneNote. And then the next one was an image. So here I am. The image has been clipped as well. And it says the content not available. Let me just refresh it. And the next one was the 50-50 rule. So as you can see, whatever I have selected to clip, it automatically clips into your OneNote book with just one click of a button. I really enjoyed this tool. I hope you do too. If you have enjoyed this or if you like it, please go ahead and give this a like, subscribe, and if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. There could be some instructor who really needs this tool. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to comment below, and happy teaching!